Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. And to this video we're going to talk about how to delete the email address on your page Facebook. So let's get started. As a first step, we go to your page Facebook by typing in the 3 point at the top right. Then click here. Now we go to the profile. Scroll down and choose this option up here. As you can see, the option of email is here. Tap on the 3 point up here, then click edit email. Now the option of remove is here. Simply tap on it. And as you can see, the email address has been deleted.